You guys have your duet that will be released very soon.
This coming September 13, release na namin ni Ate yung duet namin titled Lambalap.
Sa lahat ng paborito niyong music platform, abangan niyo kami, magla-live kami 11:30 ng Thursday para sabay-sabay nating pakinggan yung release ng song namin ng Lambal.
Kyla, you are the queen of R&B.
True.
Ikaw yung nagpa-boom ng R&B sa Philippines. Everybody would agree, right? But you remained very humble. Ikaw nga actually yung personification ng very demure, very cutesy, very mindful, very approachable. Can you teach me some Kyla-isms? Oo, kasi...
Paano ba ikayla yan?
I don't know. So pag hindi mo alam yung sasabihin mo, tatawa ka lang. Kasi minsan pag kinakabahan ka, itatawa mo lang yan. That's very Kyla.